Hi, I'm John. You are?
Andrew, nice to meet you.
Same here. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a lawyer. Where do you teach?
At the local high school. And you?
I work at a law firm.
Which one? I might know it.
It's called Smith and Jones.
Oh, I've heard of them.
Really? How do you know them?
One of my friends works there.
Hello, I'm John. New here?
Yes, I'm Brian. Just started.
Welcome to the company. What's your role?
I'm a software engineer. And you?
I'm a project manager. Nice to meet you.
Likewise. How long have you been here?
About 2 years. I like it here.
That's good to hear. Any tips for me?
Sure. Always be on time. And friendly.
Got it. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. Do you have any questions?
Not right now. Maybe later. Thanks again.
Hi, Jane. Can we talk?
Sure. What's up, Nancy?
I need to schedule a meeting.
Okay, what's the meeting about?
It's about the new project.
I see. When do you want it?
How about next Monday at 10?
That works for me. Where?
In the conference room. Okay?
Sounds good. Who else is coming?
Just the project team members.
All right. I'll see you then.
Hi, Eve. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
The meeting is in room 101.
Okay, I know where that is.
Do you have the report with you?
Yes, I have it right here.
Good. We need to present it.
I hope they like it.
Me too. We worked hard on it.
Yes, we did. Fingers crossed.
Here we are. Room 101.
All right, let's do this.
Hi, Jane. Can we join you?
Of course, please sit down.
Thanks, Jane. You're very kind.
No problem. How are you?
We're good. Just finished a meeting.
How did it go?
It went well. We presented our report.
That's great. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Jane. What about you?
I'm fine, just taking a break.
Do you have any plans later?
Not really, maybe watch a movie.
Hi, Emma. Can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it, Sarah?
I need some help with this task.
What task are you working on?
I'm writing a report for the boss.
Oh, I see. What kind of help do you need?
Well, I'm stuck on the introduction.
The introduction? That's important.
I know, right? I don't know how to start.
Maybe I can give you some tips.
That would be great, thank you.
No problem, Sarah. Let's see your report. Hi, Eve. Are you online?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you fine.
Good. Are we ready to start?
Yes, let's start the conference call.
Okay, I'll dial the number.
All right, I'll wait for you.
Hello, this is Eve from ABC Company.
And this is Emma, her colleague.
We are calling to discuss the project.
Yes, we have some questions for you.
And we also have some updates for you.
Hi, Nancy. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Listen, I need your help.
Sure, what can I do for you?
I need to write some professional emails.
Okay, what kind of emails?
Well, I need to email a client, a colleague, and a boss.
I see. Do you have any drafts?
No, I don't. I'm not sure how to start.
Don't worry, I can help you with that.
Thank you, Nancy. You're very kind.
No problem, Sarah. Let's start with the client email. Hello, this is Nancy from XYZ Company.
Hi, Nancy. This is Eve from ABC Company.
Thank you for taking my call.
No problem. What can I do for you?
I want to talk about the contract.
Okay. What about it?
Well, we have some issues with it.
What kind of issues?
The price, the deadline, and the quality.
I see. What do you propose?
We need a lower price, a longer deadline, and a higher quality.
That's a lot to ask for.
Hi, Steve. Hi, Nancy. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's up?
I want to discuss our project.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
Yes, do you have any ideas?
Well, I think we should focus on the main problem.
Which is?
How to reduce the carbon footprint.
Exactly. We need to find a solution.
Do you have any suggestions?
Maybe we can use renewable energy.
Hi, John. Are you busy?
Not really. Why do you ask?
I want to talk to you
Okay, what about?
about our upcoming business trip.
Oh, yes. What do you need?
I need to book our flights.
All right, when do we leave?
We leave on Monday morning.
And when do we return?
We return on Friday evening.
Okay, sounds good. Any preferences?
Hi, John. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
The networking event is downstairs.
Okay, I hope it's good.
Me too. We need some contacts.
Yes, we do. Let's be friendly.
Here we are. The event hall.
Wow, it's crowded. Where do we start?
Let's look for some name tags.
Good idea. Maybe we'll find someone interesting.
Look, there's Eve. She's from ABC Company.
Oh, I've heard of them. Let's talk to her.